Go to the guard, guys. Ito na nga, guys. Shoutout nga pala sa lahat, guys. Ito nga pala, guys, ang day 1 ng ating story mode dito sa GTA 5. Okay, guys. So, ito, guys. Seryoso tayo. Let's go. Okay. Ito, guys, yung hold upin natin dito. Oh. Ano? No. Ungol-ungol ka pa dyan. Ano? Aim down stage to make them move. Pusang... Tayo! Tayo! Tumayo kayo! Tayo! Babariling kita, nang gigigil ako sa iyo eh. O ano nang gagawin natin? Press to bring the phone. Press to bring the phone.
Ay.
Oh. Tapos. Oh. Oh, denonate. Get your with denonate. Okay, oh. Dialing. Inis. Boom! Sabog guys, sabog guys. Location are marked with a yellow on radar. Let's go. Let's go. Ano? Let's go. Ano, nasaan? Nasaan? Oh, andito na tayo mga bossing object. Okay, okay. Nasaan? Yung cash, nasa yung cash? Yan na yung cash par. Kukunin natin yung cash dito, my idol. Let's go. Let's go.
What's the hold up?
What's the hold? Okay, let's go. Oh, halika rito, halika rito. Let's go, B.
Give it up!
Ay, pusang galapar!
I saw your face, I'll remember you.
Get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
Patay tayo dyan.
Be crazy.
Paano yun?
Crazy, right thing. Be cool.
Paano yun?
That's right, pal.
Oh, sige! Papaputukan ko! Papaputukan ko to, par! Ah! Ayaw ko ng ganun, par! Tara na, tara na! Tara na, tara na!
You got that right.
Dali nyo na! Takbo, 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 takbo! Takbo na tayo, par! Ano to? Ba't nagtago sila? Get cover! Okay. Paano yun? Paano yung cover, par? Par, paano yung cover? Dito pala.
What are you doing?
Dito na.
Cover.
Oh, dito na. Paano Ayan. Okay, cover. Let's go!
They're on a timer.
Yan na.
Brace yourself.
Eto na, par. Gera na to! Bang! Pop! Let's go!
Fuck the cops.
Na shocks, shocks, shocks. Ah, palabas kami? Ah, palabas kami, par? Ah, palabas kami, par?
It never is. Come on.
Buratatatatatatatat! Puwit kayo, buratatatatatatatat!
Blame the pricks who called you out here.
Pusang gala reload, mao. Wait, ay pusang gala ka, buratatatatatatatat! Let's go, ikaw, buratatatatatatatat! Pusang gala, tago, par! Buratatatatatatatat! Pusang gala ka, yari kay sa akin, Lodi Cakes. Dali mo! Baratatatatat! Pusang gala, magre-rage na to. Buo! Grabe na to!
Ay, ibig iping.
Let's go! Ano na? Ano na? Ano na? Ano? Ala kayo sa akin kawala, boss! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Tago! Ay, pusang gala, buhay ka, papar! Pusang gala, ano pa? Alt to change character. Dito tayo. Ah, pusang gala, baratatatatatatat! Huwag ka na sumilip! Ayun na, ayun na. Ay, pusang gala kayo, wala na kayong dadatnan. Wala na kayong dadatnan. Wala na kayong dadatnan. Tara, punta tayo dito sa ay, pusang gala. Uy. Wow, uy. Uy. Oh! Uy, uy. Uy, pusang gala. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa getaway car natin. Oo, let's go. Encounter mo. Sige, Seji. Ito na, guys. Dito na tayo sa getaway natin.
Yeah, you're a real stout.
Grabe guys. Grabe guys. Guys, okay naman yung sa ano natin, sa live natin, okay naman. Pusang galang, angas par na cinematic. Ay, pusang gala par. Yung driver namin par. Tang. Bang! Boom! Wow! Ako na magdadrive. Okay, ako na magdadrive. W. Use AD to steer the vehicle. Ah! Pusang matik pa ako doon. Okay, let's go guys. Okay ba yung sa ano sa live natin guys? Okay ba yung sa live natin?
Coming our way. Be cool.
Sa Bicol pere. Bicol pre. Take it. Ay gago.
I say there's a chopper. There's a chopper. We stick to the
What
plan.
the heck? Wait lang.
Free.
Nabangga pa nga, boy.
Shit. Roadblock. Go right. Beat the
GPS
train.
dali. Ow, freak. Oh! Baka driver to gar. Baka driver to gar. Yung tren! Yung tren! Nagka-leche-leche na! Nagka-leche-leche na! Okay naman. Hindi naman malag, madam.
Ditch the car. all
Boss,
right?
di naman malag.
Way to the chopper. No. Hey.
Nagka-leche-leche na, par. Wait lang, par.
What? Stick to the fucking plan. Come on.
Ano ba yung plano? Okay, sige, stick tayo sa plan natin. Sabi ni ano, ni...
Where the fuck's the
Sino yun?
chopper?
Yan o, yung bidang isa. Ay, pusang galapar! May naka-one shoot! Ah!
Ah, the fucking bed. Someone must have fucking talk.
Shucks!
All right, Brad's gonna be fine. We gotta get the fuck out of here.
Boy! Ah!
I'm hit.
Nahit si ano? Si Jortox!
I'm gonna leave you, Mikey.
Ah, si Mike!
God, I'm not gonna be.
Ito na lang si ano? Ito na lang si ano? Sino to yan o? Yung isa si Frank. Si Frank na lang.
Come on.
Ah! Hindi ko kayo papabayaan mga kaibigan! Pusang galapar, dumadami yung...
Hey, you, hey.
Ah! Ayo! Patay tayo dyan, par! Naguguluhan na ako, par!
Fucking stay back. You come near.
Sobra na siya! Na frustration! Okay, sige guys. Nakatakas si ano? Si Frank ba yon? Alam ko si Frank yan eh. Si Franklin ba yan? Hindi, si Franklin yung isa. Si Trevor! Si Trevor yan! Madami yung karakter dyan. Si Frank, si Trevor, tsaka si Mike. Pero mukhang nakulong ata si... Puchak, may namatay par. Ah! May namatay par! Nakikirabay ako! Nakikirabay ako! Napatay ako! Sorry! Okay, tama na ang drama. Tama na ang drama. Hey, let's go. Ito na ang simula ng Grand Theft Auto! Let's get it on! Bold ba yan? Huwag ka maingay, boss. Opo. Ito na. Ito na, Gar.
James.
Ito
He's a
nang
good
simula,
kid.
Gar.
He's a good kid? A good kid?
Good kid.
Why?
Naparaning si Mike
He
eh.
help the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our
Jerk.
standard for goodness, no wonder he's kind of screwed.
Buhayin mo yung GTA
And what
Online mo.
about you?
Bubuhayin natin yan, boss.
What about me? Hey. I don't have the advantages that kid has.
Okay ba? Okay ba? Smooth naman sa ano natin, sa live natin, guys.
I robbed banks. I ran whores. I smuggled dope.
Fafimir, Daddy Mir, smooth naman sa live natin. Okay naman.
These were the opportunities I had. At least I took them.
And where did these opportunities get you, Michael?
They got me right fucking here. The end of the road. with a big house and a useless kid, and I'm stuck talking to you because no one else gives a shit. Oh, I'm living a dream, baby. And that dream
Mami, okay naman yung live ko, mahal.
fucking fucked.
Let it all out.
Naka-live din tayo, guys, tas naka-record tayo para ano natin.
Oh,
Uy, smooth na smooth,
Alright.
sarapat.
that's all we have time for.
Naka-live tayo, guys, tapos naka-record to para sa YouTube natin. Thank you, thank you.
I guess. Oh. I gotta tell you, I ain't too sure this shit is working for me.
Sa lahat, guys, sa mga nag-share, thank you very much.
A sense of overriding futility is a vital part of the process.
Okay.
Embrace it.
Hey! This is it! Los Angeles! Los Angeles! ML boss. Tapos yung yung horror sa gabi. Sana hindi tayo makapiright. Shoutout guys, Brian Ivan Siguban. Guys, sa lahat na makakanood ng YouTube nito, shoutout sa inyo. Naka-live tayo sa Facebook na, tapos i-upload natin sa YouTube. Kaya guys, may mga sina-shoutout ako. Yan, swerte kayo kasi yung mga sina-shoutout ko guys, mapupunta rin kayo guys sa YouTube.
I know just how you feel.
Ibig sabihin guys na napraning si Mike, kaya siya sa psychology. Uy, si Franco. Si Frank, ay hindi, si Franklin. Si Franklin par.
I mean, I cannot.
Man, would you come on?
Si Franklin par.
That house right
Siguro
there.
mga mga 9 to 10
Good luck now.
sa horror film
Man,
natin.
get your stupid ass on.
Sa Viva Max, ay.
You ass niggas know what the fucking on. Or better yet, do some skywriting that reads there's a couple niggas here about to boost some cars in case somebody didn't realize.
See, what you don't realize is we ain't boosting. This shit is legit business.
Legit. Oh yeah, I forgot, huh?
Wait lang guys ha.
When it's lit, nigga, I'm getting my money in the hood. I'm straight, fool. I'm cool.
You cool? Cool what? Slinging
Cool
dope and
what?
throwing up gang signs? Yeah, right.
Whatever, homie.
Whatever, homie. Eto na guys.
This the spin knot right here.
What time ML? Time ML mga After neto, boss.
Bring your ass, fool.
After neto.
Always trying to boss somebody.
Guys, episode 1 natin, ang unang kwento. Okay, let's go guys. Eto na. V to play GTA first person vote cycle V mo.
And all this shit paid for.
Okay, lumawak. Ay, first person. Ang galing. So, syempre, natin yan. Gusto natin yung kitang-kita natin yung So, anong color gusto natin? Choose the car. I want red. Ay, puwit sa kanya yung red. Daya Okay, shoutout guys. Shoutout Brian Siguba. Thank you for sharing. Okay guys, white sa atin. Whoa!
With the drop top, huh?
It's when stationary car hold to lower raise the roof of... Okay, H pala yun. Uy! Mapakabilis. Sige, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung gaano kakabilis. Tingnan natin kung gaano kakabilis. Tingnan natin kung gaano kakabilis, bossing.
Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie.
Oh, homie!
About to dock my pay.
Cops, activate Franklin ability, okay?
JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tom
Cops.
get smoke crack in peace. Homie, I'm good.
Cops, okay. Okay. Okay, nagi-slow mo. Ha!
Some time over nickels and dimes. Gosh, the repos, dog.
Pucha, ubos na. Okay. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay. Okay na. Okay.
Get off the road.
Grabe naman, oy. Mag-ingat ka, par. Ganda to. Grabe naman.
Oh, we f***ing shit here, huh?
Gogi, okay lang ba yun? Nasagasaan ko, par.
Shit, cool, homie. Keep up, homie.
Okay lang kaya yun nasagasaan ko? Guys, okay lang ba yun nasagasaan ko, guys? Nasagasaan ko?
Remember, this is your Terrier's car.
Whatever you say.
Gagi, nasagasaan ko, pusang galapar.
Oh, shit.
Oh, syempre guys, magaling ako mag-drive. Dito sa ano dyan, Game GTA guys, dapat ano ka rito, magaling ka mag-drive. Hindi yung ano ka.
Fine.
Hee! V.
Dick niggas do like the little cars.
Shit, I heard you talk, homie. You big everywhere except where it counts.
Fool, knock it off.
Okay, ito na, let's go.
She definitely ain't dumb enough to fuck with your ass.
Saan ba tayo pupunta, tropa?
Hey, screw you too.
Ah, malapit na tayo. Malapit na tayo, Ah!
Ain't right.
Kinakabahan ako sa driving skills ko, ah.
You say.
Uy, gagi, bas yan, par. Uy!
Yeah, that's cool.
So, ito na, malapit na kami.
Even testing me.
Ah, so malapit na kami, guys.
Come at you from the shoulders, homie.
Hoy, salamat guys. Salamat sa nag-share guys. Thank you very much. Naka-stream tayo guys sa Facebook. Tapos upload natin to sa YouTube. Pakatagal. Okay. Oh.
Dumb motherfucker, that's the Union Deposit.
Okay. Mother, father. Sabi na. Okay na guys. Hulin ka na yan. Dami mo nakasalanan kaya nga eh.
Dog, move over so the traffic can
May
flow
GTA
through.
din ako. Shoutout sa'yo, bossing.
I'll let something flow through your ass.
Dog, I ain't too sure that joke works, dog.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Oh, ano yun?
Cool, fool. We got the paperwork.
Ano yun?
Whatever, you explain that shit. I'll see you at the dealership.
Explain that
Ay,
shit, my ass.
pusang galayan, par. Na ano ko ng tropa, par. Na-set up. Na-set up tayo, par. Par, na-set up tayo. Ay, gagi. Na-set up tayo, par. Gagi, na-set up tayo, par.
Historic movie studio, Lowenstein Pictures, has closed and will be turned into luxury condos. Will there soon be nothing left in America?
Di naman tayo nakita, di ba? Di na tayo kita niyan, par. Pusa, kita tayo, par. Agi, uy, ay, ay. Par, mali, kita tayo, par. Dito tayo sa highway. Gagi. Yari tayo, par. Kailangan natin silang ano, maligaw. And for sure, wala na rito, ha. For sure, wala na rito, par. For sure, wala na rito, par. For sure, par, wala na tayo dyan, ha. Yeah, boy! Let's go! Lilipat ako rin! Ang angas! Balik tayo doon kasi doon yung daan. Okay, ang angas nun, par. Alam ko dito yung daan eh. Punta tayo sa car dealer, par. Car dealer! Op! Hop, ito yung car dealer. Malapit lang pala rito. Hop, wala tayong batas trapiko dito, par, ha? Wala tayong batas trapiko dito, par. Hop. Car dealer. Let's go. Aray ko po. Okay, car. Nice one! Okay, guys. Nice one. Grabe, napakaangas.
I don't get you, bro.
I don't get... Okay.
And I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi.
Okay.
You are all the same. You're disgusting. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? What you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Oh.
Hey, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man. I don't say that.
You fucking right,
Oh.
and you better keep it right, because this man right here, he's an international businessman, a
Oh.
multiculturalist.
That I could not have said better myself. But seriously, maybe he's not a racist. But I don't think that he is man enough for a car like this.
Wait a second.
This
Ah,
guy right here,
putya,
him-
nagkakaonsihan,
him,
par.
alright, that's a real man's car.
I think you are right, Lamar.
Nagkakaonsihan,
Look at a
par.
taxi rate. I understand. Money is an issue.
Money isn't an issue.
This is the best part. Watch this when he real and mean. He gonna get all his full money. Watch this.
Look, man, I gotta go. Hey, Simeon, I'm out. I'll holler at you, homie.
It's the best part, man.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough?
So, ano yung nasa labas? Okay, meron tayong sakin dito. Uy, sakin, oh. Each payable car has their own vehicle. Unique vehicle. Ah, okay. Tara. Huwag na tayo dito kay Simon. Okay. Okay.
Chump change. I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy
All to
bitch
view,
who ain't got
all-
fat Izaki. Who you try?
Okay. Let's go.
Your auntie Denise with all that ass, nigga.
Let's
she
go.
got ass.
She grown, yeah. She
Parang
grown
may
into a
shortcut.
fucking
Parang may
idiot.
shortcut.
Oh, she's sexy.
Shortcut nga, paro.
Sexy.
She more like a
Par shortcut nga sa bahay ni Franklin, no?
Oh, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Nice one! Grabe, na-miss ko to sa GTA, par!
Shit, it's good to
Uy.
be home.
Nice one! Hey!
What's up?
First
Loco?
mission!
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe you got rid of that old yee ass haircut you
First
got.
mission, guys!
Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with, nigga.
Nice, oh. Barbershop na available at... Okay, so pwede. So, pwede pala. So, pwede pala yun, guys.
Okay, baby. I see you at the thing. You hear?
Ba?
I was on the phone, boy. Don't be listening.
Usang ka lang, battery pagad yung nanay, par. Ganyan talaga eh, no? May mga ganyan talaga nanay eh. Kaya na kasing uwi. Sleeping on the bed will save the game advance time. Okay, let's go. Sleep tayo. Sleep tayo, par. Sleep tayo, par. Okay, clothes can be changed at your wardrobe. Sana all my wardrobe. Okay. Okay, so pwede tayong matulog. Mission pass! Ang una nga pala nating mission ay pumasa tayo. So, paano to? Okay. Franklin and Lamar. Okay, mission. Okay, mission Frank. So, guys, hi guys. Dito nga pala tayo sa GTA 5. So, ito nga palang gamit ko guys, si Franklin. Si Franklin to. Frank or Franklin na yan. I-ano kayo guys, tour ko kayo dito sa bahay namin. Okay. Okay, ito nga pala yung, ay, sa nanay ko to guys. Sa nanay ko yan. Ayan, sa nanay ko yan. Ito nga pala guys, yung ano namin, yung ano, yung lagayan ng mga gamit. Ito nga pala guys, yung ano, medic namin. Uy, meron, ito nga pala yung kusina namin guys, oh. Angas na kusina namin, di ba? Okay, ito nga pala yung rep. Ayun, oh. Drink. Okay, shot muna, puno. Shot muna tayo guys para malasing. Para malakas yung trip. Okay, so ito nga pala guys yung lamesa namin. Ang ganda, no? Simple lang bahay namin dito guys. Ay, nanay ko, Marites, nanonood ng cartoons. Laki-laki na.
Why you got to make all that racket?
Diba? So, tara guys, save muna natin. Save muna natin guys. Okay? Ligo muna kasi. Try natin kung makakaligo, boss. Try natin kung makakaligo. Create. New save. Create. Let's go. So, pangalawang araw na ni Franklin. Tara, tingnan natin kung makakaligo, guys. Oo nga, no. Grabe, meron silang heater, guys, oh. So wala. Hindi tayo makakaligo. So, malabas na tayo. Uy, gabi na. Guys. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung pwede natin maging mission. Ayun na.
Franklin!
Ayan na.
going down,
The market, my boy. Liquidity's a bitch. Get over here so I can give you the new repo list.
All right, dog. I'll be around when I get a chance.
Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go. May drop tayo. May business tayo kay Simon. Ayan, tingnan natin kung anong business natin kay Simon, guys. Let's go. Business natin kay Simon. Wait lang, guys. Okay. Paano yung Paano yung pipindutin ko na yun, Okay, yung... Paano, guys, yung rito? Yung mas madali off yung yung radyo. Okay. Punta tayo kay Simon, guys. Let's go. Uy, Red. Dapat pag ready tayo aandar. Diba? Okay. Thank you. Yun pala. I-hold lang pala yung queue.
Ooh, too close.
Too close. Wala, hindi tayo susunod sa batas trapiko, par. Traffic. Okay. Ano ba yan? Tayo. Ganito ako mag-park, par, Okay na yan. Boss, dalhin mo yan sa Marilaki. Ay, gagi rin ni boy. Shoutout sa Lodi Cakes. So, dito na tayo kay Simon. Hi, Simon. How are you? Let's go. Punta kay Simon.
Hey, what's up, Simeon?
Hi, Simeon.
So good to see you. So good.
So good to see you rin, Simon. How are you?
Look, we've been working together for about a few months now, right?
Which is why
Ay,
I am
kay Pogi,
very
manang driving
honored
ngayon lang ako
to
na
announce to you
Grab. Parang
that you
i-uninstall ko
are
na.
Employee of the Month. Huh? Anyway, congratulations.
Pahabol po kayo sa parak.
Wasn't
Tingnan
easy
natin,
picking a
bossing.
Yeah, me, Lamar, your nephew Sacha with the Twitch. Look,
Ay,
man, it's been a
Gogi.
real honor, homie. But I gotta move forward in my life. It seems like all I do is let people tell me what to do and I do it and nothing
Salamat,
changes.
Renny Boy. Thank
Tell
you.
What, my boy? You tell me exactly what you want, and I will very carefully explain to you why it cannot be.
What?
Today is repossessing vehicles that fools have purchased at
Ay, putik.
exorbitant interest rates.
Inuuto na si Franklin, par.
Together. I never had a black son. But if I did, I want him to be just like you.
Knock, nigga.
Kasi Lemar.
What's up, homie? What's up, then, homie?
What's up, dog?
Franklin here has been awarded Employee of the Month.
Uy,
You
gagi.
fucking with me, right?
Gagi si Lemar.
Man, knock it off,
Tay-tay
man. For real,
dyan.
after all the motherfucking work I put in, man.
Man, fuck this employee of the month shit, homie. I'm sitting up here trying
What
to
you
get us...
mean, fuck this employee of the month shit, man? When there's some shit to be won, goddammit, I want it. I don't give a fuck what it is. You know what I'm talking about? I take no
Panort ka.
prisoners. I go hard doing this shit. Big dog, big nuts. When names is on the motherfucking board, I want to see my name at the top of that motherfucking. Next to it, it needs to say, winner.
Maybe next month, huh?
Man, fuck next month,
Patay
Simeon. What
tayo
about
dyan.
today? I got demand to
Nagkatampuhan,
retry.
par.
Today is nothing, just a bike. Hasn't made a payment at all. Some kid at Vespucci Beach. His name is Esteban Jimenez.
Is he in the gang?
Curiously enough, I did not inquire when he bought the bike.
We got work to do, employee of the month.
Ayan na.
Fuck you,
Nagtampo
come
na si Lemar, par.
That's about it.
Nagselos,
Yes,
par.
ass nigga.
Siyempre, par. Ikaw ba naman maging ano eh.
Vespucci.
Ah,
Magellan Ave.
let's go. Tara.
You still rolling with that old
Go to the...
goddamn
Okay,
beat?
sa beach tayo.
That
Let's
country
go.
bumpkin
Kunin
shit
natin
is enough
yung...
to get us shot right there.
I never took you to be old hairstylist type bitch.
Halika na, Limar. Huwag ka na Huwag ka na magselos. Halika na.
Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vagos dude? With the tattoo on his face and shit?
Huwag ka na...
Yeah, that was
Oo
him.
na. Huwag ka na
I don't
magselos.
want no unnecessary bullshit here, alright?
Nigga, I don't give a shit. It's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't
Huwag ka na
Girl
nga
Scouts.
magselos.
In your case, I ain't so sure about that.
Man, step up, nigga. Of course this dude real. Who else gonna have to require surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub down on this bike.
20 G's?
Limar, huwag ka na magselos.
Damn, that motherfucker must be tricked out, dog.
Man, this whole setup designed to take drug money.
Alright, man, look, we go in
Eh, galing ko,
In and out,
Garo.
no fucking
Ang
drama.
angas ko
I'll
dun,
try,
oh.
homie, but I'm one loud, dramatic, brass, crazy, greedy shooter.
Alikan mo agad pag nagselos, kaya nga eh.
And you love me for it, nigga.
That's right, homie. Nothing but love, nigga.
Gusto magkagulo yung mga yan. Tingnan mo.
Funny dude, though. It's gonna be a shame when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? You're a psychotic motherfucker.
Kailangan mabay tayo mag-drive.
You do some jobs for a fool, develop a little uneasy relationship, and then they ask you to do something above and beyond. You fall out,
Go.
fools get capped, and then you start all over again with some other fool.
Ingay nga eh.
Fuck you get that from? That ain't my life, dummy.
How about the boy with the eye from around the way? Marcus or something? You was slanking for him, and then he got what was coming, right?
That was different. That dude had it coming.
I don't want to clap my boy Interior either. I like
Ingay, you
him.
know?
This just smacks of the inevitable.
Gagawin na meron dito, par.
Fucking asshole.
Ano meron dito?
Mike should be in one of the lockups down here.
Should be is the story of your life, asshole.
Follow Limar. Okay, climb tayo.
Repeat after
Bawal
me.
yung ginagawa mo, 3 lane.
I think this crazy motherfucker wants something.
Gagi. Lasing
Hey, what's
oh.
up, homie? You alright? No, wait.
Lasing oh.
Example agents? Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass.
Ay,
huh?
grabe ka naman,
Drunk
Limar.
ass nigga. Be cool, nigga. Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, bitch.
Man, I don't like this
Okay.
shit one bit.
Titikita ka dyan, dami violation, kaya nga eh.
Keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did
Sundan
I do in
lang
the
natin si
past
Lemar.
life to deserve your stupid ass?
This a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them vibes.
Gagi ang angas, may pusa oh.
This a shady ass apple.
Shit, we in Vespucci
Ah,
Beach.
cute.
We on the wrong side of Vespucci Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. Got to be in one of these motherfuckers.
Bakit gagawin natin? Search the garage. Ito.
Come on, man, let's get it before these fools get back. It got to be this other one. If that wasn't it,
Okay, may armor ako guys. May armor ako dito. Next.
my powers of
Wala,
deduction
puro
is
sopa.
telling me it's right there.
Ito tayo. Try natin to. Try natin to guys. Ito. Uy, gagi, may dumarating par.
Ain't no
Par, may dumarating par.
motherfucking here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Pusang gala, par, may kalaban.
You saw this motherfucker?
Ay, pusang gala. Oh! Pusang gala yan. Lemar, bakit ka... Shucks.
Nigga, I would've just got my ass
Lemar,
beat over a fucking gunfight.
ano gagawin ko?
Stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat.
Tab. Okay, meron ako.
Homie, homie.
Pusang gala, gera na to, par. Gera na to.
Find your bitch ass some cover. Shit, on your left. I look like him.
Headshot. Headshot para ano?
Motherfuckers on the scaffold is on me. Shoot up that cannon.
Nasa yung kalaban.
Even this shit out, homie. Grab the shotgun. Follow me. Let's get through this.
Gagi, ang daming kalaban, par.
Down you go, motherfucker. What's up? Appreciate it, pimp. There's the fool on the bounce. Man, fuck him. Get that car in front of me. Get out of here. Damn. Wake them niggas up. These are ugly.
Gagi, barakan to.
Somebody tell me this is illegal repossession.
You make friends wherever your ass go, nigga.
Gagi na sa'yo kalaban. Pusang kalaboy pa pala. Gagi na sa taas. Huli ka. Sa'yo kalaban. Saan ba yung kalaban, guys?
You still breathing, homie?
Yeah,
Of
barely.
course,
homie.
oo.
We gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came here for a bite.
And that'll motherfucking
Gagi, meron na meron. Get the bike, get the bike, get the bike.
at the car wash on innocence.
Pusang galabuti na lang, nakita ko. Patay, patay, get the bike, get the bike. Tara,
I'ma look for some trans.
tara, tara, Limar! Limar, tara! Eh, gagi ako yung magbabike. Okay, let's go. Ako pala yung magbabike, Limar. Langya ka. Ako pala yung magbabike. Di ako tumitingin sa daan eh. Okay, let's go. Ako pala yung magbabike, par. Whoop. Op. Walang traffic enforcer dito. Hindi katulad dito sa Taguig. Grabe mga traffic enforcer. Mga crocodile. Ay, sorry. Pero mababait naman. Ina pre. Duguan ako. Muntik na ako masemplang, par.
Oy, ay idikit
Sorry. Muntik na ako masemplang. Masemplang, par. Uy, muntik na ako masemplang. Let's go. Tama ano lang, par. Wait lang, baka maano tayo eh. Alam niyo yun, baka maano tayo, pare. Maka-copyright. Tumingin ka naman sa Waze. Tumingin ka sa Waze. Walang pong mabait na... Wala pong mabait na crocodile. Ano ba? Saan ba tayo pupunta, Limar? Nice,
Man,
Limar.
I can't
Ang bilis
hang
mo
with
naman,
your ass
Limar.
for a while, bro.
Muntik tapos duguan.
Psychopath. You finally fucking lost.
Nigga, that's that Apache blood in me, homie.
Muntik
Lucky
na ako
I ain't
dun,
do a
ah.
flying tomahawk and scalp they motherfucking ass.
We can't repo the assets of a dead man, big sitting cheap asshole.
Nigga, and we ain't going to neither, nigga. I'ma keep this motherfucker for myself. Tell Simeon we couldn't recover.
Ay, gago si
You
Limar.
fucking tell him, you fucking moron.
Hayop ka, Limar. Kanina mo pa ako inaano ni Limar, ha? Ino-onsin na ako ni Limar, par. Mission pass. Story character become available. Rockstar Edition Direct Mode. GTA. Okay, let's go. Ano, punta tayo kay Simon, par. Walang tulugan to, par. Walang tulugan. Simon tayo, par. Diretso tayo kay Simon. Diretso mission natin, par. May setting ba ito na wala ng mga sounds? X-Dock, okay. Sorry naman, par. Ay, mismo, punta natin si Simon. Simon, di ko alam kung anong oras na. Natin sa likod, par. Di ko alam kung anong oras na. Di ko alam kung anong oras na, par. Gagi, sarado. Par, uwi muna tayo, par. Uwi muna tayo. Uwi muna tayo, par. Tulog muna tayo. Kinabukasan yung trabaho natin. Dito sa GTA, par, walang 24 hours trabaho. Walang 24 hours trabaho dito, guys. Tulog muna tayo. Let's go. Uwi muna tayo guys. Let's tulog. Tapos kinabukasan trabaho ulit tayo, par. Stretch the getting Omi. Ewan ko sa'yo. Galit ako sa'yo, par. Nagtatampo ako sa'yo. Kakagi, bakit dito kasi? Tsaka ang hili ko sa iskinita, par. Uy, salamat guys, salamat. Ang hili ko sa iskinita, par. Gagi, muntik na mabangga, par. Tara, tulog muna tayo. Para umaga na. Ba't diretso ako dyan? Go. Tulog muna tayo guys, ha? Let's go. Para kinabukasan guys, di ba? Para kinabukasan, gagi, duguan ako paro. Muntik na ako masemblang kanina eh.
Oh, ay ibigay thank you for the ice cream.
Muntik na ako maano kanina eh. Okay, umaga na. Okay, ang sarap pag umaga. Okay, let's go muna tayo. Kay Simon muna tayo, par. Kay Simon. Gagi, ano ko, par? Tayo kay Simon. Let's go! Simon muna tayo, par. Diretso mission tayo, gar. Let's go. Uy, grabe naman yan. Nangangas ko naman. Angas ko naman pala, guys, magmaneho. Ito, shortcut, to. Ang palit, guys, dito. Dito na ako palagi. Uy, gagi. Muntik na ako mabangga, par. Kasi red light pare.
This don't make no fucking sense.
Ay, tayo. Red light kasi pare. Ala. Gagi, sarado si Simon, par. Haragis ka, Simon ka. Ayos ka. Guys, sarado si Simon. So, anong mission natin? Okay, meron doon. Punta daw tayo sa bahay. Punta tayo sa bahay, par. Punta tayo sa bahay. Let's go. Punta tayo sa bahay. May mission daw sa bahay. May question mark eh. Lahat ng question mark dito pupuntahan natin, par. Diba? Oh, wala pang red. Ay!
What the fuck is wrong with you, Tanya?
Ain't nothing wrong with me.
Ay,
nigga. Shit.
si Tonya pala to.
Too good. Where the fuck is JB?
Smoking.
And what about you?
I mean, you know, I quit. You know what I'm saying? Almost.
Yeah, whatever.
JB, look, JB
Parang
gonna
malungkot
lose
si Tonya.
everything. He gonna lose the house. You know what I'm saying? The business, everything. And you his cousin, nigga. You said you was gonna
He
help.
ain't my cousin.
Whatever, if that's how you feel.
What the fuck do I know about towing cars?
Look, it's easy. If JB can do it, you can do it for fuck's sake. Come on, I'ma show you. Come on, shit.
All right, then. Shit.
Okay.
Everything.
Hey, look, let's make this quick. I got shit
Tara,
to do.
Sonya.
You need to slow it down.
Tara,
was right.
Sonya. Pasok.
All right, shit, where we going?
Oh, green yan, par.
We both know you always been sweet on me. Shit.
Oh, red yan.
Clinton.
Kaka-red lang yan.
Shit, your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that shit no more. I mean, I baby doze now and again just for the taste. But I'm
Habang
doing good,
dandyan.
boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Whatever you say, girl. Come on.
Let's go. Ano magagawin natin, Tonyang? Okay. Jowa mo.
There's JB's truck. Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie.
Ah, magta-truck kami, guys. Okay. Magta-truck. Oh. Tapos, kasama ka pa ba naman, Tonya? Sabi mo.
Vehicle 29, come in. This is dispatch. We got an abandoned car at San Andreas Avenue.
Yo, we on that like ugly on your mama.
10-9, come again.
Okay, sige, wait lang. Ito na po.
Tanya, fool, and my boy Franklin.
Patay
We filling
tayo
in
dyan.
for
Ang
JB.
bagal nito, par.
Copy that. Hi, Tanya. Car's a junker. Been there
Patay
for
tayo.
days.
Ang bagal nito, par.
I'm gone.
A bucket. This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out
Pusag
of
na lang,
whatever
kakanan
crack house
tayo,
he
par.
laying in.
Kakanan tayo, par.
His loss, yo gain, sugar.
Salamat.
Except I ain't gaining shit, sugar.
Move that seat back, and you know I'll make it right for you.
Okay,
That ain't
kakaliwa.
what I'm saying. Damn, Tanya, what the fuck happened to you?
Pogi, abandon, ano yan? Go to the abandoned car. Okay. May kukunin tayong sasakyan, par. Muntik ko na mabunggo, par. Gagi, muntik na. Dito tayo sa circle, oh.
Okay, I've seen JB do this 100 times. Back up close. Make sure the hook is down. And it should slide right in.
Oh, basahin natin. Lower the race. Okay.
Aight, baby. Back it up nice and steady.
Oo, wait lang. Paano na to? Okay.
Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this back to the
Okay, guys. Okay.
Not how I saw my day going.
Ang galing ah. Okay, so wait lang guys ha. Okay. Kailangan kalmado tayo dito, mga bossing. Kailangan kalmado tayo rito, mga bossing.
So I ain't seen you around the hood much.
Oh, nag-green yun ah.
Trying to branch out. Can't stay in Chamberlain Hills forever.
Oh, nigga got air.
Sa alam nyong red, para alam nyong red, dumidiretso kayo.
And I remember you and
Alam nilang
JB
red,
before y'all was
dumidiretso.
dope head.
Isa pa to, isa pa to.
You the one all turfed up. JB smoking, but he ain't smoking.
Alam
homies.
nyong red eh.
He out here grinding, towing cars, paying bills.
For
Okay.
real. Cause I could have sworn it was me out here.
Oh, red
towing
red
cars for
ah. Oh,
him.
bawal dumiretso,
And
kaya
looking
kakaliwa
damn fine
tayo.
Doing it too, baby.
Oh, red ulit. Diretso, baliktad dito eh. Uwit ka naman. Kinigigil mo ako ha. Let's go.
Okay, we make the
Pusa,
drop where they got
bigla-bigla.
the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't
Uy,
leave it
dalihan
in
mo
the right
naman!
place. Okay, you got it. Release that, baby. I'll see you on the block. Anything you need.
Okay,
you
salamat
know that.
Tonya. Bayad Tonya, may bayad.
Now,
Ginagaya.
where is that fool?
Yeah, pulling favors mission pass. Thank you Tonya. Ay, naka-mission pass na naman tayo par. So, ngayon natin ito maganda natin sakyan. Oh, bago ulit oh.
Oh, so now you wanna pick up. I got
So, nasaan ang... may F, may Franklin tayo. May S tayo. So, uwi muna tayo. Parang may something sa ano natin eh.
Clinton.
Uy, maraming salamat, boss. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Grabe ka naman. Mukhang paldo ka ngayon, boss, ha.
You cracked out, fool. You can barely
Madam
work
Christine
out
Joy,
your
thank you sa stars. Okay, medyo layo natin ng konti. Okay. Salamat, guys. Salamat. Oh, green na. Tagal nyo. Uy, muntik na ako dun, ha. Tap to quick switch. Okay, sige. Let's go. Thank you sa star senders.
Hey, look out for fools like me.
Sorry. Muntik na tayo makabangga. Muntik na tayo makabangga par. Puwit yan, oh. Sorry guys, muntik na ako makabangga. Ay, muntik na naman makabangga, Lods. Whoops! Girl, of course.
You know what? It's getting to be a bit much.
I have no idea how you
Pucho, may jogging si mother, ha. May jogging si mother, ha.
I done all that I can do.
May jogging si mother
But you know
ko.
how boys are. Wait a minute. Oh, girl. Whew, hey, how much further?
We ain't even gone 5 yards yet.
I know, I'm just asking.
This is spirit walking. Exercise
May ano
body
si mother, ha?
and soul. It's all the rage. We are women and we are free. Free and free. We are women. We are free. We are
Ano nangyari?
Damn. F, is that your auntie?
Pusang gala ka, Limar. Nandiyan ka na naman, Limar.
She's spirit walking and shit now, man. That's just her attempts to.
Hey, don't be talking shit about your auntie, man. She cool as a motherfucker, man. Come on.
Ah, auntie niya pala yun. Hindi niya pala
We gotta
mother.
go pick up some shit from around the corner, man. We can walk and talk at the same time, my nigga.
Why the fuck we can't drive?
Around the block with Chop? You need to walk with your fat ass.
Yeah, okay, you tall, linky son of a bitch.
Anong gagawin namin?
Come on, homie.
Limar, anong gagawin natin?
Let's go.
For sure, but what you got up?
Kidnapping, fool. That clown D. That OG fool from Ballers.
Dog, I told you, no more gang banging retro vengeance bullshit. I'm trying to make some fucking paper.
You gonna make some paper, low, and ain't nobody out here gang banging. It just look like that. You gotta know the difference, man.
Fuck, man, great. My aunt would be very happy, homie. She wants me dead anyway so she can get the fucking house.
You got the wheel, homie.
Puchang galaban. Ito yung ano. Ito yung ban na nangunguha ng bata, oh.
Get in the van, Chop. Get in the van.
Ah, puti. Kasama namin si Chop. Ano kayang mission to? Ano kayang mission to, guys? Uy, APT rin to. Apat-apat, eh. Let's go. Sige.
Hey, I
This
like
time,
your
guys,
dog, homie.
susunod tayo sa batas parapiko.
Yo, annoying ass.
Man, I'm carrying both of y'all asses, homie. Look what I set up.
Ang tagal, eh.
Hey, why we doing this, dog?
Man, cuz we supplementing our income.
More like supplemental drama in our lives.
Ang
Is that
tagal.
Simeon looking out for us, or is he looking out for himself?
Shit, himself, I guess.
Shortcut,
So how
shortcut,
a couple
shortcut.
gutter-ass fools like us get ahead?
By getting
Muntik
serious.
pa ako dun, ah. Muntik pa ako dun, ah.
We two highly motivated, results-driven motherfuckers with an entrepreneurial mindset.
Oh, yeah. Highly motivated self-starters, huh? In the kidnapping sector.
Okay.
Yeah, starting big.
Wala.
Always go
Hitting,
wrong, don't
hitting the red light.
All your
Lagi tayo
schemes
rito,
for
par.
you.
They don't go
Walang traffic
right,
light
but
dito.
I wouldn't say that they go wrong all the time neither. Not as wrong as they could.
I ain't dead.
Sorry.
But I ain't rich neither.
How does 40,000 sound? Because that's what's
Sorry,
happening
sorry.
right here.
Man, I'll believe it when I'm holding.
Three-way split, homie. Me, you, and Chop.
Man, Chop don't get shit. Chop an intern.
You hear that, Chop? Frank Trump.
Chop need to see.
Ah! Dahan-dahan lang kasi. Paano kaya kung iwan mo si Lamar? Parang hindi yata makakompleto yung mission. Ang taas naman nito. Okay, malapit na tayo, guys. Okay, dito na tayo.
He down this alley up here.
Saan tayo? Ah, hindi sa Skinita. Okay, Skinita.
Hey, what's up, boo? Ain't you little Laida's cousin?
Yeah.
Damn, you short with it? I was just saying I was trying to holler at
You ain't hollering at nothing.
Uy,
over
pusang
here.
galapar.
be like that. I'm an OG.
And OG, so what? So the fuck what, nigga? It's a million OGs.
Well, shit, how
Gagi.
about I put one of these little X pills
Nakagreen
up
pa
your
naman
ass?
ako, paro.
Next thing you know,
Kagrupo ko si, si Franklin.
What's happening now, D-man? Ain't
Yo,
no
what's up, Franklin?
have none.
Man, fuck you, Mark. I ain't sharing no after CGF.
Ain't nobody sharing nothing.
Man, shut the hell up,
Fuck
bitch.
you, nigga.
Man,
Ano
fuck
gagawin?
y'all. Hey, ain't there a law against you mark-ass gangsters, insignia, mask wearing motherfuckers?
Oh, so what's up now, nigga? You snitching or something,
Oh,
nigga?
shit.
Bitch ass nigga.
Fuck you, nigga. I'm out of here.
Uy,
Fuck y'all. Get that nigga. Come on, let's go.
bakit? Anong gagawin natin?
Go, get in the van.
Pusang gala, habulin namin par, dali!
He on a bike, man. We ain't gonna catch him.
Oh,
Ni
gangster, we got this.
It's gonna get bumpy, Chop. What the fuck you say something for? We could.
Dali, sige. Sige, rekta tayo, Lamar.
He's a big black motherfucker, nigga. Your creeping days is over.
Give it up. Don't shoot the homie.
Ay, gagi, don't shoot. Sorry.
Do that weird like focus shit you do.
Sorry, don't shoot,
I don't know
gagi.
what you contributed right now for. We might have to rethink this shit before the split.
Me? You ain't doing shit.
Don't shoot, munti ko na barilin, par.
And he just drew.
Bitch, duck left. Do that shit. Go. We gonna need the van for this motherfucker.
Man, look at this
Okay,
shit,
let's go.
Chasing another motherfucker on a motorcycle. If we snatching this dude, we snatching his ass right.
Okay.
Remember the
Ay,
homies
sorry.
around the block?
Man, the homie
Tara.
lame.
Ay, puwit ka.
Yeah, so we not.
Uy, gagi ka, dali.
Yeah, so we not.
Pusang gala, nakatakas, par.
As soon as they made the ransom call, triangulated the signal, ghetto birds all over the place.
Pwede, shortcut,
Surveillance,
par.
my nigga.
Shit. Damn. He got fucked up. Man, take time.
Gagi, nabunggo yung nahabol ko.
Still with your feet kicked up.
Grabe.
Chop. Go bite his ass. Get that motherfucker, Chop.
Tara.
Get him.
Dali. Pusang gala ka. Bakit ba kasi ka? Di ba pwedeng ano? Di ba pwedeng barilin ko na yan sa paa? Di ba pwedeng barilin ko na yan sa paa, par?
Self-attack shot, dog.
Talon. Baka pwede ko nang barilin sa paa yan.
You don't kill him.
Hindi.
Eat a big chunk out this bitch.
Pusang gala, lakas ah.
You gonna be
Tabi.
shit out ballers for a week
Puwit
when
ka.
we done, and tomorrow gonna be cleaning that
Tanga.
shit up. At least I'm getting to work out.
Dali. Chop! Kainin mo!
Get him, boy.
Nice one. Ito na. Malapit na, Chop. Chop, ito na. Malapit na, Chop! Pusang gala mo. Mawawala pa.
Fuck. Come on, boy. Find that fool. Snip him up, Chop. Lead me to him. You smell something in the train?
Switch Franklin. Uy, kay Franklin. Ito. Check natin. Check natin. Baka nandyan lang siya.
Put him up.
Pusang gala. Wala.
Help him, Chop.
Dito. Try natin buksan to. Baka nandito siya, guys.
Got your ass. Man, ain't shit in here.
Wala ah.
Where you at, Chop? Where you at?
Jump, dali, jump.
There you
Jump.
go.
Buksan natin to. Jump, ano na?
Hey, where you going? Boy, that don't look like hell.
Jump again, jump! Pusang gala, guys. Nakakuha. Jump!
Chop, no.
Pusang gala, jump. Bawal dito yan, jump! Jump, bawal dito sa stream ko.
Get out that thing, Chop. You filthy motherfucker.
Jump! Jump, ano ba yan? Bakit pati dito sa ano ko, stream ko, jump?
Man, that's some serious thrust per second, Chop.
Ayun mo, Champ! Champ!
You giving it some, huh? Come on, Chop. Get off there, man. We got shit to do.
Usang ka lang, Champ to.
Come on, man. Get out that thing, Chop. You filthy motherfucker. Come on, Chop.
Gagi,
Get out
Champ!
there, man. We got shit to do. You better
Buisit
not be
yan,
fucking when
ah.
I get there, Chop. Get out that
Oy!
thing, Chop. You filthy motherfucker. Not the time, Chop.
Pusang ka, lalapitan ko pala. Lalapitan ko pala. Halika na ito, punyemas ka. Lalapitan ko pala.
You a mean motherfucker, man. Let's go.
Buisik yung manyak na aso.
Stop running, dog.
Ayan na.
The dogs, nigga. Oh, shit.
Ayan na, go, Champ!
Screw that dog, man. Don't hump him. Bite his ass.
Sige, Champ! Sige, Champ! Yan na! Walang yaka. Ba't tapusin mo kasi?
Hey, man, get over here. Oh, shit. What the fuck, man? I ain't got no beef with the CGF. Because maybe we doing our own thing. What the fuck?
Eto na. Eto na.
Hey, Lamar Davis is
Eto na.
Nigga, shut the fuck up. Just get in.
Sumakay ka na dyan.
idiot.
Tangya ka.
Hey, man. What the fuck? Get this fucking dog away from me.
Yari ka na ngayon. Basag yo. Makatakas kaya yan. Basag yo.
Hey, if you don't
Let's go.
train Chop, he gonna be a lost cause.
Let's go, guys.
We gonna stash this dude at my spot.
Gagi si Champar. Ano ba naman yan? Wala ba akong preno yan?
Going back to your crib? I've been
Grabe si Champ. Kita niya si Champar.
Shut up, man. You ain't recognize me.
I knew it was you before you took that bag off. You always
Yeah,
been
let's
dumb,
go.
Lamar.
Really?
Patapusin mo
Well, I guess
muna
that means
kasi,
we gonna
kaya
have to
nga
shoot
eh.
your ass when we pick up our 40 stacks.
You ain't gonna pick up shit.
Kaso may inahabol kasi kami mga katakas.
Be quiet. I gotta make a call. We got your boy.
You calling them on a cell phone, you dumb motherfucker? They gonna trace this shit in a second.
We want 40,000. It's pay me or pay the funeral director, motherfucker.
Okay.
What the fuck you done? You just gave them our location. Now we gotta let this motherfucker out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
Okay,
Nigga,
alis.
give me that damn phone.
Ayes, alis, alis. Gagi.
I'll be seeing y'all soon.
Ayop kayo, dinadamay niyo pa ako. Dinadamay niyo pa ako sa kalokohan niyo.
This some
Kaya kayo,
bullshit.
dinadamay
Take
niyo
me
pa ako
down
sa
the cut.
kalokohan niyo. Drop Lamar of the Rec
Man,
Center.
what the fuck
Okay.
is wrong with you, nigga?
I was getting us paid. What the
Eh,
fuck is wrong
nagkatampuhan
with
na
you,
naman,
nigga?
par.
That was a good phone.
A good phone? The cops was all over, nigga.
All right, motherfucker.
You the motherfucker.
Langya ka.
Watch out for them ballers. They gonna be on you now. Them cops gonna be on your ass too.
Yeah, I ain't worried about it. I'm a motherfucking gangster. You know how I do. I can
Gagi.
take care of my sizzle.
No,
Uy,
the fucking
gagi
kids ain't.
talagang nagkatampuhan, par. Wala bang mission pass dyan? Mission pass. Eee!
Easy go.